welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sanskrita and welcome to the video of June favorites. So in this video, I'm going to show you the products that I have used in the month of June and actually love them. Also, it doesn't only contains makeup and skincare, but also the books that I have read in the month of June and actually fell in love with them. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first we're gonna start with the skincare products and then the makeup and then the other products. Now my first skincare favorite product is this. This is Dot & Key's Watermelon Gel Face Wash. Now I am a person with a lot of acne and oily skin and this particular product has helped me a lot. I mean, it's so gentle on my acne. Also, it doesn't feel dry. So if you are someone who is dealing with oily skin or acne prone skin, you can definitely trust on this one. My next skincare favorite is again from the same brand Dot & Key, but this time it's a face moisturizer. I mean, this is Dot & Key's ceramide and hyaluronic acid moisturizer, which is great for acne prone skin. I mean, it has ceramides which deals with your acne. So if you're someone who loves a moisturizer which is not too dry or not too oily, you can definitely get this one. Also, I've been using it since so long and the product, I mean, just a drop helps for the whole day and it's almost over because I have used it so much, and this is also my second bottle. So my next skincare favorite is a sunscreen. Now we are literally going on like a skincare routine. Face wash, moisturizer, and now sunscreen. So this one is from the brand Sunscoop. It's a cream brightening sunscreen. Now I have oily skin. I usually use gel sunscreen, but this one was actually good. Usually the cream sunscreens feel so heavy, makes your skin more oily and darker, but this one I was actually matte. So if you're someone who has dry or oily skin, you can totally go for it. So my last skincare favorite is this one. This is Lakme's Clay Face Mask and it's actually so amazing. If you have oily skin, I would not recommend this for dry skin. If you have oily skin, then you should definitely go for it. This is literally my third or fourth bottle. I love it because it makes my skin so, bright and glowy. Also makes it more dry because I have oily skin and it's especially a clay mask which actually works to make your skin more dry. So don't use it if you have dry skin, but if you have oily skin like me, then please just go for it. It's amazing. Also, acne prone skin, like I have acne. So now I'm gonna start with my makeup favorites, and the first makeup favorite is this one. You have already seen this in my previous makeup video because I literally bought it 2 months ago, and this particular product is a gem. I mean, it's a dupe palette of Forever 52 concealer palette, and this is Mars concealer palette. I mean, the coverage it gives, the longer it stays, it's amazing. If you are a makeup junkie like me, you should definitely get this one. It literally cost under 500. Amazing product. I literally went to Kashmir like a few weeks back and I used this each and every day and it literally stayed the whole day. It didn't smudge, it didn't got disappear or melted. It's amazing. Just get this one, and I am getting one again, the other shade, and I have no words. So my next makeup favorite is a compact. It's from the brand called Color Bar, and this particular product is actually so good. I mean, I was actually going on to buy some other compact, but the sales Didi told me to get this one because it's really good. I thought she's just saying me to sell the product, but when I came back and I tried it, it was actually so good. I mean, it also gives you coverage. Also, it stays the whole day. I mean, it's a compact and it actually stays the whole day. Also, if you're someone who doesn't like to do whole base, foundation, any CC cream or concealer, you should definitely go for this one. I mean, for the days when I feel like I don't want to apply anything, creamy or liquid, I just go on with this one, and it's actually very good. So my last makeup favorite is a lipstick. Now this one is from the brand called My Glam. It's a crayon lipstick in the shade Cougar, and I really love this shade because the shade is like this. It's a little red wine shade, and it's actually amazing when you apply it. It actually gets darker when you apply it on your lips. Now I have actually mixed it with a brown color lipstick, so it's coming out like that, but I usually wear this one also, and I love it. When you're applying nothing on your face, you just need to apply this one. I actually use it as a blush also, so definitely a favorite. Now we are done with makeup and skincare. Now I have some body care and a little bit of hair care products. So for my hair care, the first product we have is this. This is L'Oreal Paris Dream Length Conditioner. If you're someone who have dry and frizzy hair, then you should definitely go on with this one. And the shampoo is also very good, but it got over and I threw the bottle, so we don't have the bottle of that. But I would actually recommend both of the shampoo and conditioner. I mean, it's actually very good. The next and the last hair care favorite is this one. Now this is TRESemmé's Ultimate Gloss Shine Hair Serum. I mean, I actually got this one as a trial from Smitten, but this came out so good. I mean, it literally makes your hair so soft, so shiny, and the smell is amazing. You literally can apply it on wet hair or dry hair. Doesn't matter, it's gonna make your hair super smooth. I mean, I am definitely getting the bigger bottle, and it's actually, you can see how much I have used it. It was full, and this is the only much left. So next we have some body care products, starting with this one. This is Divia's Roll-On. I mean, this product is actually used by the whole world, and there's a reason behind it, because this product is so good. I mean, even if you are not applying any perfume or deodorant, you're just applying this, you're good to go. And it literally stays more than 24 hours, so please get this one. Next we have is Zudio's mini perfume. I mean, these mini perfume are perfect for traveling. The smell it has is amazing. Also, it actually stays for very long time, so please get it. I mean, it also cost only rupees 80, which is amazing because it's really affordable. Now I think I have completed all the beauty favorites, and now it's time for the book. Now these are the two books that I have read in June, and I have actually loved them. Now the first book that I have read is Verity by Colleen Hoover. This book is actually very famous. Now if you're a person like me who loves thriller more than love and romance, then you should definitely get this one, because the thriller it has is no words, I have to say. Now the next book and the last product of this whole video is this one. Now this is a book called Before the Coffee Gets Cold by Toshikazu Kawaguchi. I don't know if I am pronouncing the name right. I think I'm pronouncing it wrong. Anyways, now this book story is very unique. Now I am so bored of love romance that I actually loved the story of this one. It's actually very unique. It also has two parts, which I didn't know about, but then I got to know. Now I'll read the both of them, but let's talk about this one first. And this was actually really good. I mean, it contains 3 stories, which was really, different from other books that I have read so far. So if you're someone who likes, unique stories, then you should probably get this one and read this one. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you love this video. I hope you trust me and you will try the products. Also, do like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Tab tak ke liye, bye.